This is the Sanibel probe tip kit, part number 8500430, and it comes with 3 pieces, as you can see. It is very important that this gasket is placed inside the probe tube tip the correct way. For example, when you look inside the probe tip, you can see that there is sort of a flat part on the top there, sort of a key, and the holes are positioned in a certain pattern. In the same way, you must make sure that you line up the gasket pattern with that hole pattern. In this case, it's upside down. So now the hole pattern is going to align with the gasket hole pattern. If you don't do this correctly, you will not be able to get a seal on the probe for proper testing. Now it is ready to be placed on there, the flat part of the probe tip. And then you can put this collar on and make sure that it stays in position, tighten down, making sure there's no gap here. And now you've installed your ear tip adapter.